India's neighbor Bangladesh is gearing up for a crucial national election in February 2026. But this is not just another vote. For New Delhi, the stakes are extremely high. In 2024, Bangladesh witnessed a student-led uprising that toppled Sheikh Hasina, who ruled for over 15 years. Protests over government job quotas quickly escalated into a nationwide movement. Violence spread, hundreds, thousands were injured. Hasina stepped down and fled the country. An interim government led by Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus and student leaders took charge. This transitional government introduced the July Charter, a reform package aimed at reducing concentration of power and strengthening institutions. A nationwide referendum on this charter will take place alongside the February 2026 elections. But here's the key development for India. The Awami League, Bangladesh's main political party and India's long-time partner, has been barred from contesting. Hasina remains in India under a controversial tribunal sentence. Her presence has already made bilateral ties sensitive. Bangladesh is India's lifeline to the northeast. Roads, railways, and inland waterways through Bangladesh reduce dependence on the narrow Siliguri corridor, India's strategic bottleneck. Trade between the two countries exceeds $15 billion. Counter-insurgency cooperation helped neutralize militants in India's northeast. Now a question arises that why does this matter to India? But the picture is shifting very fast. Pakistan is quietly stepping in. Reports suggest a dedicated ISI cell is now active in Dhaka. There are signs of infiltration attempts, radical regrouping, and rising Islamist influence near India's borders. For New Delhi, this is a direct security concern. China is also expanding its footprints. More than $10 billion in investments are spread across Bangladesh. The possible revival of Lal Monirhat Air Base, just 135 kilometers from the Siliguri corridor, is a major worry for Indian strategists. Any Chinese presence so close to India's eastern gateway could reshape the regional balance. Connectivity and trade projects have already slowed. Ashuganj port upgrades are on hold. Khulna-Mongla railway services have not started. Borderland ports report delays. These disruptions hit India's northeast states and impact economic growth. India is taking a multi-pronged approach. It is engaging with all major political actors in Bangladesh, including parties not traditionally aligned with New Delhi. It is strengthening borders, infrastructure, and intelligence sharing. And it is speeding up alternative routes through Myanmar, including the Sitwe port. The 2026 Bangladesh election is more than a domestic political event. It will decide who holds power next door. It will influence India's security, trade, and regional strategy. For India, a stable, cooperative Bangladesh is no longer optional. It is essential. New Delhi will watch closely, adapt quickly, and ensure its strategic interests are protected.